Hi everyone, this is Anida Sharma from Dreamflies Institute, Ludhiana, Dugri Phase 2. So here we are starting with a series of cue cards, like how to prepare them. So before starting the cue card, I would like to tell you that the examiner give you about 1 minute of total time to prepare your cue card as well as to speak about for 2 minutes. Here is a tip to score more. Make cue card more natural. जितना आप natural cue card उसको सुनाओगे उतने ज़्यादा आपके chances होते हैं to achieve more bands. And these are the parameters before starting the cue card, like what tense you have to use, what kind of idioms and phrases can be used in the cue card, as well as tagline with similar vocabs or synonyms. Before starting our video, kindly like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel, The Dream Flyers. So the very first cue card is describe a person you would like to study or work with. Or you can jump it up with describe a family member with whom you would like to work in future. These cue cards contain these similar ideas, as there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 subparts before making a cue card. You have to focus on like which tense you have to use, number of ideas, vocabs, idioms or tagline can be used in a cue card. So our very first cue card person you would like to study or work with. Here you have to tell about a person you would like. It contains the tense of future. तो हमारा सारा जो क्यू कार्ड जाएगा वो हमारा फ्यूचर से रिलेटेड जाएगा कि हम किसके साथ या तो पढ़ना चाहते हैं या तो काम करना चाहते हैं. So you have cleared with this first point. Tense you have to use is future. Then number of ideas, like हम किसके साथ काम करना पसंद करते हैं, सिस्टर, ब्रदर, फादर और मदर और एनी रिलेटिव, अंकल और आंट और इवन कजन. एंड vocabs you can use is optimistic, which is pessimistic, renowned, domain, industrious. And while मैं ये सारे vocabs use करूँगी अपने cue card में, I will make sure to explain this with the synonym of this. Then idioms, born with the silver spoon, burnt midnight oil. Last is tagline. That is, you can use the starting first line while saying or starting your cue card. So here the tagline, well, I like to study and work with person whom I am comfortable with. This can be your tagline, और जो मैंने अपने cue card में prepare किया, you can use a similar tagline while speaking or making your cue card. So the cue card contains the following question: who is that person? Why would you like to study with him or her? And what will you study? So we will start our cue card with world is a bag full of distinct personality. This is our tagline. Some are optimistic or pessimistic. मतलब कुछ positive भी हैं और कुछ negative भी हैं. Here I would like to talk about a person with whom I would love to work and she is none other than my cousin sister. कि मैं उस person के साथ काम करना पसंद करूँगी जो मेरी कौन है, cousin sister. As she has a lot of knowledge in the practical field of fashion, so I can say that her skills and dedication towards work inspired me a lot to choose it as a career. मैं क्यों उसके साथ काम करना पसंद करूँगी? Because मेरी जो सिस्टर है उसको बहुत सारी नॉलेज है फैशन इंडस्ट्रीज के बारे में और उसकी जो स्किल्स हैं, जो उसकी मेहनत है, जो उसकी डेडिकेशन टुवर्ड्स वर्क, वो मुझे भी इंस्पायर करता है कि मैं भी यही सेम एज अ करियर चूज करूँ. नेक्स्ट, moreover, I am also fond of revolutions that take place in the fashion industry and want to set up my own well-renowned business in future too. मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया था कि हम क्यू कार्ड में अपने जो synonyms हैं वो add on करेंगे, vocabs add on करेंगे to increase the marks while speaking. Currently, I am pursuing a professional graduate degree in the course of fashion designing. मैंने अपने क्यू कार्ड में ये भी बताना है कि इन दी करंट सिनेरियो में अपने जो ड्रीम है, एम्बिशन है, उसको अचीव करने के लिए क्या कर रही हूँ. Furthermore, in my leisure time, I often reuse the tattered clothes from my wardrobe to style new trendy attires. Tattered means old clothes and trendy attires means I have to create a new outfit from them. Honestly speaking, it was a dream since childhood as I saw my sister how she burnt midnight oil. That means how she worked hard to achieve her goal. To be successful in her domain. Domain means field. That made me more passionate to achieve my ambition. Actually, I am not born with a silver spoon, so in order to earn name and fame will be inspiration to all masses out there. Not born with a silver spoon because मैंने ये idiom यहाँ पे इसलिए use किया है कि I am belong to a middle class family, तो मैं इतनी rich नहीं हूँ. Then, so she is quite industrious person and guide me whenever I needed a direction and also knows all ins and out regarding the profession. Industrious meaning hardworking, knows all ins as well as outs, कि इसको सारा कुछ पता है फैशन इंडस्ट्री के बारे में. So to cap it all, I can say that my sister is my ideal. Also, I always follow her footsteps in order to become like her, and this is the person with whom I would like to study or work in the future.